Okay, we're live. Good morning, September 1, 3. Today I only have two stocks that I'm looking at. And from yesterday, recapping yesterday, pretty much, I'm going to go back to the charts in a little bit, but I only have one position. Actually, two positions from my list that actually got triggered. One position was ERI, and ERI, let me go to the charts. Let me start sharing here. Let's minimize this. So yesterday, ERI work according to plan so far. So we got in at a higher from this candle here, and we're still green on it. So hopefully the yellow line just went over the blue line barely. So I gotta watch it today, and for potential pullbacks. Again, we got resistance somewhere around 50. So high 49s would be a good place to sell. Right now the high is at 48.15. So we have a good a good maybe $1.50 to go. So that's that one. The other one that I got in was I also got in a position on. I'm just going through my list. I think it was EVX. Yes, this one. Yeah, this one had a huge sell-off, and what got my attention was this 52-week low and the huge rejection when it got rejected. Like, so yeah, yesterday I had that candle and I got in barely by the end of the day. So let's see how it plays today. We just broke with this candle. We broke that big yeah. So we basically enter this huge sell-off. So hopefully, and we broke this area of non-activity. So let's see what we got here. What's the high on this guy? 1648. 16. So I gotta watch out for this level. But again, this is it got rejected by the yellow line. We are above the yellow line now. So if it works according to plan, you can just, the plan is to sell somewhere around this green red candle. Okay, so those are my two positions that I'm watching from yesterday. I also like DS. I like DS a lot because, again, it has a nice consolidation and it's showing signs of moving up. I gotta watch it today. It's not in my title because it wasn't on my radar this morning. So That's another one that I keep an eye on. But for the time for today's stock, I got PRMV. Is that it? Is that right? Let's see. Looking. Oh, MW. Oops, MW. Gotta change that. This guy. MW. For PRMW, we see that this is a nice uptrend. It's going up nicely. Now we hit an area of resistance. Took a step back, took a step back, took a breather, and now it's showing signs like it's gonna start moving up again. So we have this area here of resistance. We started to pull back, and now we're pushing back up. So plan is always the same. We break the high. My plan is to go in when we break this high, and stop loss will be somewhere around here, pretty much. Something I can easily understand. Just keep my losses to a minimum. And like I said, it's in a nice uptrend. So when we look at this is the previous cycle. Yeah, it was consolidating. Then it got rejected. I mean, it took a breather for several days, and then it decided to move back up. And when we went above this yellow line, that's when we started to kick in right here. So hopefully we can stay above water and we can go above the yellow line today. So that's the plan. EVTC, I think it's the other one. Hopefully I got that ticker symbol right. Okay. Also, it's in an uptrend. Not as pronounced as the other one. But again, this is short time swing trade. So you just get in, get your money, and get out. So we're not looking for huge moves. So what is interesting about this one is I like that green candle, how it got rejected. It got rejected once, twice, 3 times, but this yellow line, which is the 9 moving average, it got rejected by those lines. And today we got more volume. This one looks nice. And we just broke above those the blue line. So if that's the case, again, plan as usual. Get in above this green candle, we break it, we break that pattern, and we can sell anywhere around here pretty much. That we have a nice at 25, somewhere around 25. We can break that 25 resistance. We can just sell anywhere, get ready and sell around 25.50. But I'm probably gonna be selling around 25. That will be my plan. So, but again, I'm not telling you to buy this. I'm not telling you to sell this. This is just me sharing my thoughts and why I think I see value on this. In these ticket symbols. When I go look at the market, sorry, SPY yesterday, there was a little bit of, this is like indecision. This to me means like indecision, and the bulls barely won the day yesterday. So we need to see how the market's going to respond today. We are very oversold. I mean, overbought. We're very overbought. I mean, but We had volume yesterday. We had more volume than the day before, so that's a good sign. And the fact that the bulls actually won the day, that's actually a good sign too. Let's look at the /ES efficiency, how we're doing on the day. So far today, on the features yesterday, the bears won it. But again, it's indecision, so could have gone either way. So on the SPY, we had the bulls. On the features, we got the bears. But again, it's just more like indecision. There's not a pronounced wick like on this day. But regardless, we still have a higher high. We had a higher high. The high higher low, I'm sorry. The high for yesterday was 28.95. And the day before was 28. So we had a higher high and a higher low. And today, this is everything pre-market for us in the US. We have a higher low of 28.84. Yesterday was 28.79. So we got a higher low. So we'll see what's gonna happen today. I'm expecting a pullback early morning, and then hopefully start moving back up so we can finish the week green. So that's what I have for today. I need to fix the ticket symbol PRMW, not PRMV, and that is it, guys. Let's stop. Okay, we're back. So drinking the coffee. It's currently 5:46 in the morning, so I decided to wake up early today and look at my scanners and see if there's something interesting. So I got these two. Let's be smart, and probably gonna be putting limit orders on these ones because I'm gonna be driving at the time that the market opens. So I'm gonna put limit orders, and if they don't get triggered, I'm probably gonna be watching them on the 5-minute chart for a potential better entry. But if that doesn't happen, I'm just gonna do the limit orders and get my stop losses if I get in. With that being said, God bless, thank you, and let's try to stay green. Bye.